The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most ambitious devices yet, bringing major design changes alongside a host of advanced features expected in 2026. Rumors suggest Apple is moving toward a more streamlined, thinner chassis with a nearly bezel-less display, possibly integrating a permanently under-display Face ID and front camera system for a truly uninterrupted screen. The device may also adopt a new titanium alloy frame for greater durability while reducing overall weight, making the phone feel premium yet comfortable to hold. On the hardware front, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to run on the A19 Bionic chip, offering unprecedented speed and efficiency for gaming, multitasking, and AI-powered tasks. Camera improvements are rumored to include a quad-lens setup with a 200MP main sensor, enhanced low-light performance, and advanced computational photography features. Other anticipated upgrades include a higher refresh rate LTPO promotion display, larger battery with fast charging and better energy efficiency, improved satellite connectivity, and further integration of AR/VR features. With these changes, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected not just to evolve Apple's design language, but also to push the boundaries of what a flagship smartphone can do in terms of display, performance, photography, and futuristic technology.